Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. The top stories this hour. After Mickey advises Dr. Willie to take a break from politics, the NCP Goa chief asked CM Kamath to sack Mickey from cabinet. Dr. Wilfred D'Souza demands enquiry in Satyam-sponsored 108 EMRI services. Police filed charge sheet against 6 accused in Iris Prajal attack case. And in an exclusive interview to Prudent Media, Talasha chases Olympic dream. Now the news in detail. Nationalist Congress Party President Dr. Wilfred D'Souza has asked CM Digambar Kamath to drop Tourism Minister Mickey Pacheco from the cabinet. It was a fitting reply to Mickey, who advised Dr. Willie to take a break from politics. Dr. Willie has cited Mickey's irresponsible statements on bigamy issue while demanding that the Tourism Minister be dropped from the cabinet.
Dr. Willie has demanded removal of Tourism Minister Mickey Pacheco from the cabinet.
The first thing that Digambar Kamath should do is to sack him from his cabinet and clean the cabinet. Unless he does that, the NCP and the Congress both will have a bad name and BJP will win.
Dr. Willie said that if Congress fight election for North Goa parliamentary seat, then NCP will fight election for South Goa parliamentary seat.
NCP will also fight both seats.
Will not go up to me party level.
I will fight in South also.
Dr. Willie added that report of meeting held on Wednesday is sent to NCP President Sharad Pawar. Willie also mentioned that if Congress and NCP fight within themselves, then BJP will win both the seats.
Unless the Congress and NCP jointly fight the battle, we will lose the seats. If people like Mickey are allowed to interfere in the selection process when his reputation is well known, the first thing that Digambar Kamath should do is to sack him. Can Congress win?
Avinash Bhosle, one of the nominated candidate of NCP for North Goa Lok Sabha seat, said that there is no need for Dr. Willie to take any break.
To me, he is a doyen of Goan politics. You cannot separate doctor and politics. And doctor has a lot of inning to play and guide the Goan politics. So he cannot, the doctor cannot be written off. So the question of break does not arise. We are going to contest unitedly, and there won't be any question of having elections together against each other. Confrontation will not arise. It's just a matter of time. I think that will be sorted out. With our high commands are competent enough, both of Congress as well as NCP, to sort out this whatever the bogey which has been created.
Surendra Furtado, the General Secretary of NCP, said that Mickey should actually take break and not Dr. Willie.
Mickey Pacheco, we don't require his certificate to say that Dr. Wilfred D'Souza should get a break or not. I think Mickey Pacheco, is high time that he should get a break, because he's become very unpopular and he has spoiled the image of my party, which we have nurtured up for last 9 years. If he can bring a non-party person for the North Goa, we can also recommend to the High Command a non-party person like Valanka Alemao to replace Mr. Mickey Pacheco.
After Mickey's remark that Dr. Willie should take break from politics, Dr. Willie has strongly reacted, calling Mickey a rotten apple. It seems that both of them are making all attempts to break each other. In Panjim with Shyam Sundar Fatte, this is Laukik Shilkar for Prudent Media.
Dr. Wilfred D'Souza has now demanded an enquiry into Satyam-sponsored 108 EMRI services. Recently, EMRI services completed its 108 days. EMRI services are managed by Satyam Computers, who are into limelight due to rupees 7,800 crores scam.
EMRI is part of Satyam. So it's part of the scam. So it should be investigated.
You are demanding now?
Yes.
Panji police filed charge sheet against 6 accused involved in attack on Iris Rodrigues and Prajal Sakhardande.
After the attack on Irish and Prajal on 13th October, police arrested 6 people involved in the attack. Police filed charge sheet against them in Session Court in Panji. Sandeep Vaingankar, Genito Cardoso, Asif Badegar, Aslam Bagiwadi, Shabir Gujarati, Yaqub Waligar are accused in this attack.
So 6 accused are present, 7th accused is absconding, and charge sheet has been filed in the court under section 143, 144, 147, 148, 427, 307, read with 149, 120B of IPC, and section 4 and 25 of Arms Act has also been applied to this case.
In Panjim with Devidas Kamli, this is Sunny Narvekar for Prudent Media.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.